What is a trie data structure?
A trie, pronounced try, is a specialized tree-like data structure used to store collections of strings. Each node in a trie represents a single character, and a path from the root to a node traces out a word or partial word. Tries are especially useful for tasks where quick string searching or retrieval is important.
How tries store strings efficiently?
The tries save space by sharing common prefixes among words. Instead of storing each word separately, overlapping portions are stored only once on shared branches. For example, cat and car both start with ka, so those first letters are stored along the same path before branching off. This makes searching and storing large sets of related words much faster and more efficient.
Searching for strings with tries.
Searching in a trie involves following the path for each character in the query. If the path exists in the trie, the string is present. If it doesn't, the search stops immediately. This approach makes tries extremely fast for locating exact words, checking prefixes, or even finding all words with a specific beginning.
Real-life applications of tries.
Tries play a key role in many everyday technologies. They make autocomplete functions, spell checkers, and word games possible by quickly finding words that match a user's input. Online dictionaries and search engines also use tries to instantly suggest terms as you type, enhancing both speed and user experience.
Advantages and considerations of using tries.
The tries offer fast search speeds and efficient use of space for storing related strings. However, they may consume more memory for sparse or unrelated data. Despite this, for applications involving large sets of words with shared prefixes, such as dictionaries or suggestion engines, tries are often the best choice for balancing speed and efficiency.